In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all your students while presenting in Google Meet using two screens. This process is particularly helpful for teachers and educators who want to keep their students engaged and ensure that they can monitor participation while sharing their presentation. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Google Meet URL. Once you're there, look for the option that says New Meeting and give it a click. This is where the process begins, and it's crucial for setting up your session efficiently. Once you've clicked New Meeting, you'll choose Start an Instant Meeting. This option will immediately launch a new meeting, ensuring that you have full control over how the session unfolds. It's a quick way to get everything rolling without needing to schedule anything in advance. With your meeting underway, it's time to manage what your participants will see. Look for the Present Now button on your meeting interface. When you click this, you'll be given several options for sharing your screen. Choose the option that best suits your presentation style. After selecting Present Now, you'll notice three vertical dots, commonly known as the More Options icon at the bottom right of the meeting screen. This icon contains a variety of settings that can be adjusted to tailor the meeting to your needs. Click on the three-dot icon, then choose Change Layout from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to modify how the participant video thumbnails are displayed. You'll want to select a layout that maximizes your visibility of all participants. For this setup, click on the tiled option within the layout settings. This view arranges all participant video feeds in a grid-like format, allowing you to see everyone in the meeting simultaneously. It's fantastic for keeping an eye on all your students to ensure they're attentive and engaged. Finally, let's talk about using two screens to keep everything organized. Connect a second monitor to your computer. Here you can display your presentation on one screen, while viewing your students' video feeds on the other. This dual setup ensures you don't have to toggle between the presentation and the participants, making the teaching experience more seamless and interactive. By now you should have your meeting perfectly set up so you can present while simultaneously monitoring your students. With this approach, you can engage with your class more effectively, ensuring that all students feel seen and involved. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions or suggestions for future topics. Happy teaching!